to explain one point, and I want all of you to please pay attention, because right now, Qadianiyat and Bahaiyat, Qadianis and Bahaiism are going to be one and the same. Please pay attention. Baha'is, they have a prophet, but the difference in the eyes of the common people is that in Baha'i religion, they don't claim to be Muslim anymore. They have taken Baha'u'llah, and after that, they have taken their own path as Baha'i religion. And Qadianis, they want to claim to be sticking with Islam. This particular quote I have given to you, Wallahi, if you understand this quote, no Murabbi can play games with you. And I want you to pay attention. Jalali Tajalli mean, please pay attention, Jalali Tajalli mean jihad, wars. What Mirza Ghulam Qadi, and this happened when? This happened when? In the first advent, right? And Jamali Tajalli mean no more wars, just preaching, right? So this is first advent, Muhammadi Tajalli, i.e. jihad, war. And second advent, no wars. What Mirza Ghulam Qadiani says, इसमें मोहम्मद की तजल्ली का वक्त नहीं, वो खत्म हो, मुकम्मल हो चुका. You saw that, right? It means that the first advent was referring to who? To Muhammad ibn Abdullah. Mirza says it's no more time for that. Second advent with no jihad, no war is referring to who? As per Mirza Ghulam Qadiani's theory, it is referring to Mirza Ghulam Qadiani. What Mirza says, it is not my time. Jalali Tajalli. So this is how you need to understand this kufr. Because this kufr, like Quran says, Zukhrufal qawli ghurura. It is a deceiving statement, but it is wrapped in ghurura, in very deceptive way that you cannot understand until you unwrap all of that. And what is the unwrapping? The key point is Muhammadi Tajalli mean jihad, and Ahmadi Tajalli mean no jihad. When do we have jihad? In the first advent. And Mirza says finished. Jamali Tajalli, when there is no jihad, Mirza says this is the time for that now. And in this context, you can understand actually Qadianiyat is Bahaiyat. Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, with all of that back and forth, he has taken a bunch of people and he has created his own religion, his own ummah. And guess what? I have the trump card with me. Come Murabbis, I will show you that Mirza Ghulam Qadiani created another ummah. He took people from the ummah of Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He taught them his kufr, and on that kufr, he created his own ummah.